Along with the continuous expansion of fiber laser technology as a whole, the use of fiber laser cutters in modern industrial manufacturing is becoming increasingly common. In order to supply customers in a wide array of industries with the equipment they need, Glory-Star Laser Technology Co. Ltd. is a professional global enterprise that specializes in fiber laser cutter research and development, manufacturing, and sales, all backed by more than 30 years of experience. Glory-Star Laser has currently launched the Navstar Series high-power fiber laser cutting machine, GSCE Series shuttle platform fiber laser cutting machine, GSTG Series fiber laser tube cutting machine with the automatic unloading and loading system, GSCEG Series shuttle platform fiber laser cutting machine for metal sheets and tubes, as well as a variety of other fiber laser cutters to meet an array of manufacturing requirements, all with the best quality assurance. With more than 30 years of experience, Glory-Star Laser has built 4 fully equipped production bases within China, located in Shenzhen, Suzhou, and 2 in Dongguan. Each production base is equipped with full sets of standardized manufacturing equipment and staffed with an experienced technical team, which lays a solid foundation for our production cycle, capacity, and product quality. Furthermore, all assembled equipment is strictly inspected in regards to the cutting head movement, reduction gear working accuracy, machine working accuracy, and other aspects. Glory-Star Laser adheres to the principle of no quality, no friends, and make sure every single piece of our equipment not only meets design requirements, but also features a reliable, high-quality performance. Due to strict inspection processes on each product and our quality assurances, Glory-Star Laser has been certified to FDA, CE, and ISO quality and environmental management systems. Glory-Star Laser has also developed strategic partnerships with IPG and Precitech from Germany and the Italian company ESA so that we are able to guarantee the final quality of our supply chain. In order to keep updating with the latest technology, Glory-Star Laser has also set up joint Sino-Italy R&D center with Italian brand Prometech, and continuously research and develop appropriate laser application products according to the market change and specific customer requirements. We are working on our best ability to make the perfect laser application equipment for you. Made in China, serve the world. To better serve clients from both in China and around the world, Glory-Star Laser's machines are widely used all over the world, covering most countries in Asia, Europe, North and South America, Africa, Oceania, to ensure a full range of satisfactory services to each and every client. Glory-Star Laser is committed to technology added value and looks forward to working with you. The GSCE laser cutter has a full enclosure design that surrounds the entire cutting area, thus protecting the operator against laser radiation, as well as other injuries caused by small waste pieces. The working platform is designed with a hollow structure, which protects the operator from heat radiation, and also reduces the heat effect on the fiber laser cutting machine to improve its durability and stability. This fiber laser cutter is suitable for all sheet metal cutting requirements or sheet metal parts with specific heights. The built-in automation control system is able to optimize the cutting process according to different materials, thickness, and cutting specifications, and is also equipped with a handheld controller to allow for an easier and faster operation. The GS-CEG laser cutter is capable of cutting sheet metals, tubes, and pipes. The equipment enclosure is made using an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and treated with a high-temperature annealing process to ensure a durable usage without any deformation. All motion parts are imported to ensure highly accurate, smooth, and quiet movements. The cutting head is equipped with a protective lens to reduce the consumption of valuable parts, such as the focus lens. This fiber laser cutting machine is also designed with high-speed shuttle platforms to externalize the material setup during the cutting process. It also has two workstations, allowing for an easy, fast transition from sheet cutting to tube cutting. The handheld controller allows for a free adjustment to cutting positions. The tube cutting system operates with a precision rack and pinion and linear guide rail system, which ensures smooth and stable motion, as well as high production efficiency. This shuttle platform dual workstation fiber laser cutter has been widely used in the manufacturing of advertising poles, auto parts, precision components, sheet metal fabrication, and other similar metal products. The GSTG laser cutter is specially designed to cut, hole cut, or hollow metal tubes or pipes using a fiber laser. This machine is equipped with an automatic unloading and loading system, allowing users to easily load tube materials in just several clicks without manual assistance, thus saving time and improving production efficiency in comparison to traditional laser cutting machines. Both the front chuck and the rear chuck are dual driven, which can fasten or loose the tubes quickly and adjust the tightness according to the tube thickness. The front and rear chucks simultaneously rotate to prevent tube deflection and twisting. To further enhance productivity, this equipment comes with pre-programmed professional cutting software to ensure it is suitable for all tube and pipe shapes, including channel beams, H-beams, T-beams, and other irregularly shaped beams. This fiber cutting machine allows for a plus or minus 45-degree groove cutting with the cooperation of 5-axis linkage motion and an imported numerical control system. The Navstar laser cutter is a highly efficient, environmentally friendly, and safe model jointly developed with Promatech from Italy. The laser cutting head can automatically adjust the focal length and power according to specific cutting requirements. The 4-link mechanical synchronous automatic exchange platforms externalize the material setup while cutting is in progress, ensuring the laser cutting head does not sit aside while waiting for operators to set up the next job. This allows for a much higher production efficiency by continuous loading, and makes it suitable for cutting processes on a variety of sheet metals. This equipment is widely used for large-scale machinery manufacturing, military manufacturing, railway manufacturing, and more. Not only do we produce fiber laser cutting machines, but Glorystar's Shenzhen branch also provides laser application equipment for new and renewable energy industries. 3C, computer, communication, and consumer electronic, hardware, structural industries, and more. For example, this robotic welding system is widely used in irregularly shaped products welding and is designed with a 6-axis motion structure. It is able to perform at high speeds with a highly accurate welding during mass production and complete an outstanding weld quality. This laser marking machine has a wide application range due to its low noise, high speed, and stable performance. This laser welding machine also features a dual workstation, which is able to unload and load materials while welding, leading to its wide usage in areas that require a higher accuracy and welding accuracy, such as new energy batteries and other applications.